What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you part 2 of the winning products in February. These products are from my private list and I decided to hand them over to you guys, as I mentioned before in one of my previous videos. So every month I'm going to drop 1 or 2 videos like this and share them with you. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content, as well as we have a free Facebook and Telegram group in the link in the description that you can check them out after watching this one. So with that being said, let's start with the video. So our first product is HandsFree Child Courier. Now I saw this product multiple times on Facebook from the same company, which means they are performing well, and if they keep advertising means that they're making money. I really liked the concept of the product because things that can help improve the safety and security of your child always perform well. Now I'm not sure if this company started with a dropshipping business model. Maybe they just went straight ahead and took this product and white labeled it. But you can do the same thing. Just start with dropshipping this product, see how it goes. If this product works for you, you can do the same concept, the same thing, white label this product, and then start building your own brand. Now on AliExpress, it has over 200 orders. You probably can find a better listing for this product, but this seller had 4.9 star reviews, so this is why I decided to go with this one. So the cost of the product is $22.85. Now selling this product, I would probably sell it anywhere between $39.95 up to $49.95. Now I know the margin is quite slim, so I really suggest to find a different supplier, maybe a dropshipping agent, or maybe contact someone in Alibaba and see how you can reduce the price of the product. But I think this will be the perfect range to sell a product like this. About targeting, I will target parents with toddlers. You have age ranges in Facebook that you can actually target, so I will target 1 year up to 5 years. The next thing will be parenting, and then childcare, then toddler, and then daycare. Those are the 5 main interests that I will start targeting on Facebook ads. Next one, we have cat travel backpack. Now I saw this product many times also in Instagram and Facebook, but the first time that I saw this product, it was actually, if you saw on Netflix, there is Taylor Swift documentary movie that I saw that she takes her cat in this bag, which is a good thing because probably a lot of people saw this movie and then they maybe have a cat and they need something like that. So basically she already did the marketing for us. As well as this product performs very well on Facebook. I'm not sure if it is because Taylor Swift documentary, but it still performs very well on Facebook. There are many bags on AliExpress, and there is also the same bag that you saw in the ad. I searched for cat backpack, and as you can see, this product right here on AliExpress has the same idea, plus it has a video which you can use for your ad. And I always try to take something that is already working, proving to be working very well, and maybe try to offer something similar or maybe something improved. Now from all the bags, the travel cat backpacks on AliExpress, this one performs the best. So I would probably try to test this one, maybe also test the original one from the ad, but I will start with this one and maybe try to focus it on this one. Keep in mind that pet niche and pet owners are very passionate about their pets, so it's kind of easy to sell this product because it's super unique. So maybe you can go ahead and build a one product store, maybe a niche store of only travel backpacks for cats. It's really up to you, but there is a high potential with this product. Pricing this product, I will probably price it anywhere between $49.95 up to $59.99. Again, you can contact a dropshipping agent, which probably will give you a better price, or contact Alibaba, maybe find a US supplier. But you can start with AliExpress because the price is still good. There is still margin to be made. But later on, when you start getting sales, starting building some customers and data, transfer your fulfillment to something cheaper. Targeting, I will be targeting Petco, PetSmart, Cat Lovers, Cat Lady, Must Love Cats. Those are the top interests that I will start targeting on Facebook ads. Our next product is car cleaning gel. Funny story about this product. This product is something that has already been selling for years now, but most of it was marketed for cleaning your keyboard. So I guess somebody in China or outside China thought about it, which is actually genius, and started advertising this product for cleaning your car, which honestly can be really useful because there are those tiny dirts and places that you cannot really get into them with even with a good car wash. So that can be really beneficial, and as we see in the ad on Instagram, it really performs very well. So this is really a good example, thinking outside the box. So maybe you can do something similar to that, and maybe take a product that can be used in a different way and market it to those people. Now, selling price for this product will be anywhere between $49.99 up to $19.95. Now, basically you cannot really charge more than that because it's kind of small and really not that valuable product. So I think that this range will be the best. Maybe I'll try to have more deals about maybe buy one get one for 50% off, things like that, to really increase the average order value, because this is going to be too low and Facebook ads really expensive today. So try to really upsell the hell out of this product. Targeting, I will be going for Seat, Toyota, automotive industry, automobiles, and vehicles. Those are the main ones that I will be starting targeting on Facebook ads. Our next product is Luggage Organizer. Now, I know this product is not super unique or really doesn't have like the wow factor, but as a smart dropshipper, you always want to look at the data, and the data doesn't lie. So as you can see in the ad, it really performs well on Facebook, and it's kind of smart product and really useful, so probably this is why people buy it. It has over 3,000 orders on AliExpress, and it's overall 4.7 star review, which is a great thing. The second thing that I love about this product is it's really cheap product, but it's kind of, you can mark it up and sell it a bit higher because this product really provides a good value. So I would sell it anywhere between $24.95 up to $34.99. As I mentioned before, Facebook ads is quite expensive these days, so this product really has the margin, the room really to also mark it up, and that it will seems really fair to pay for this product this price, and you will have enough profit margin to spend on Facebook ads and still remain profitable. Targeting, I will go for suitcase, baggage, frequent travelers, frequent international travelers, and hand luggage. Our last but not least is baby bed. Now again, I know that this product probably not is the most unique product out there, but again, I'm looking at the data and I see if that sells, I want to sell this product, and this is the smart way to choose your winning product. As I mentioned before, parents will spend money on their child, their babies, to make sure they have the most security, convenience. So these products always perform well. As you can see on AliExpress, it has almost 7,000 orders and overall score of 4.7 stars, which is perfect. Pricing this product, I will sell it anywhere between $34.95 up to $44.95. Now, you probably want to go with a dropshipping agent with this product to get it somewhere between 9 up to 10 bucks, not more than that, and then cut down a bit the price, maybe sell it around $34.95. I think will be the sweet spot to sell it. But just to start testing this product, start with AliExpress and then build your way up. At first, you always want to kind of test the product, see how it goes, see how it works, and then start improving things, improving your email marketing to get more return on investment and free traffic sales, having a dropshipping agent, someone that can reduce the price for you so you will be able to make more profit, improve your Facebook ad strategy, etc. Targeting, I will be targeting baby shower, pumpers, baby center, Johnson's baby, and new parents with a child between 0 months up to 12 months. So these are the winning product part 2 in February, and I really suggest you to really take advantage of these videos and start testing them as fast as possible and make sales, make profit, guys, and make it happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. It really helps to boost the video in the YouTube algorithm. I will be dropping 1 to 2 videos every single month for you to share with you the winning products that I found from my private list, guys. So for you to not miss out any future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. With that being said, enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you on the next one. Peace. 45 automotive products in China, really in the industry. But as a